looking for a cool street rod, let's take a look at this one. Wow. 1950 Chevrolet two-door hardtop. Like I said, done up into a street rod, and this car has a look to it. As you can see, first off, paint on it, I would call it magenta, raspberry. But what a great looking color on this car. Take a look at that chrome, how that paint shines. Chrome's got a great reflection in it. Stunning car coming down the road at you. Now, a lot of trick details in this vehicle. Obviously, you can see the headlights have been Frenched in. We'll get around to the custom interior, underneath the hood. Nicely done, well-built car. This particular car is out of a collection. The gentleman that had it, unfortunately, has passed away. Had a very nice selection of hot rods. He was a hot rod guy himself, owned a hot rod shop for many, many years in our area, and this is one of his cars. It is now available to purchase. See, it's got just a great stance to it. You take a look back. Great stance to it. Riding on the beautiful chrome wheels. White wall radials. Sure, this car has to go down the road very nicely. Also very nicely equipped. First of all, let's start underneath the hood. We got 350 underneath there, small block Chev, paired up with a 700 R4 automatic transmission, so you got an automatic with overdrive, serpentine belt system, aluminum radiator with fan, HEI ignition. What else we got under there? Power steering, power brakes, AC. So very nicely equipped car. Just done up as a great street rod. You want to check out that engine bay. You want to check out underside pictures, interior pictures of this car. You can see them at uniqueclassiccars.com, or look down below this video in the description. Click on that link. That's going to take you there. You can also call us, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this car. You can see that chrome just pops on that raspberry or magenta paint. Can have the rock stone chip guard or stone guard back there on that rear fender where it flares out. Just can't say enough about how this car looks in person. It is cool. Get back here, take a look at that wheel. Provides that stance. French taillights. Chrome bumper. You can also see everything's been shaved. The trunk handle, door handles. Now there are poppers on this car, FYI, for future reference if we want to know. They're right down below where this seam is in the door. There's two poppers on each side. There is also a key fob on the keychain that is buttons. That will open the doors also. For today, I got the windows down. We'll probably reach through and cheat and open up the door on the driver's side. As you can see, very nice interior, kind of a cream with contrasting ostrich skin. It's a great looking combination in this car. Won't have to be afraid to take this to any of your local shows, cruise-ins. This car will get some attention, no doubt about it. Very nice sounding car. We'll fire it up here in a second. We'll get around to the driver's side. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. See, the rear is finished off very nicely too. Will you find a few imperfections in this paint? Yeah, there might be a little chip here or there. It's very, very small. But boy, overall, paint is in pretty nice condition. Again, if you want to check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Like I said, look down below in the description of this video. Click on the link. That's where it's going to take you. 507-386-1726. Where we can be reached at. And again, take a look up and down this side of the car. Again, you can see nice luster of that paint. So good it looks. We're going to go ahead, check out this interior, see if there's anything else I'm missing on here. I think I've hit the majority of it. Let's check out the interior and we'll talk about that a little bit. All right, start over here in the door cards. Again, that two-tone kind of cream and ostrich skin. Power windows. See, this dash has been custom. Steering wheel. Take a closer look at these seats. Also in very nice condition. You can see seat belts. Seats match front to rear. Headliner done up to match too. Just wow, inside and out, this car is beautiful. All right, I redid a kind of similar looking as a stock dash would be, but yet custom all in itself. Shift indicator over there to the left. You can see overdrive also is indicated. Now, this actually has a digital climate control. Very cool. Rarely see those. Stereo system and tachometer built into the center console, as well as cup holders. But geez, just a great looking dash. All right, let's fire this thing up. Maybe on high height a little bit. I haven't warmed this one up, but here you can see the stereo controls, auxiliary in. I know you can't see that, but that's what it is right now. You can run the radio, bands up here and everything else. Here was that digital climate control like I was talking about. Set it to the temperature. So go ahead and slip around to the back of this. Hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that Chevy 350 underneath the hood. Good sounding car. Tell you what, I'm going to go up to the front. Let's open the hood on this beauty and see how it looks underneath there. It looks good. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, like I said, here we go. Aluminum radiator, serpentine belt system, power steering, power brakes. Look at all the chrome, all the polish work. Look at that firewall, how clean it is. Wow. This car's just nice underneath the hood. It is the exterior and interior. Look at how the valve covers reflect. Look at the color on the inside of the engine bay. Got the magenta all the way around. Ooh, what a beauty. There you go, 1950 Chevrolet 2-door hardtop street rod. Great looking car, well built. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, down below this video, click on the link. UniqueClassicCars.com is where it's going to take you. Check out the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist getting this sweetheart to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.